Today we are going to customize my soccer cleats.
In order to prevent your paint from cracking or peeling the first time you wear it, you must remove the factory finish first. Soak your cloth in acetone and then wipe any areas of the shoe that you will be painting.
While my dad works with the acetone, I open the iPad and start sketching rough ideas over the pics of my cleats. Then, little by little, colorful designs start popping up on screen. Then I tweak the little details to make it just right. It's like creating a cool costume for my cleats. Next up, we'll turn this into a reality with paint. Can't wait!
Maya wanted to use some spray paint on the cleats to add a funky touch, so I quickly taped them up to avoid getting other parts dirty, pulled out my Montana spray cans, and started spraying. Her team colors are maroon and black, so that's what I'll be using.
As always, I'm going to use my trusty Posca markers. Poscas are the best option when painting shoes because they are easy to handle and have good cover. This is taking way too long. Much better. Finally, I asked my dad to help me with some of the little details. As always, if it's on a painting, sketch, or a shoe, never forget to sign your name. Now stay tuned for the big reveal. This was such a fun project, and I loved how they turned out. Now to try my new painted cleats on the field.